Okay, Miss Higdon, we're going to try this. I'm going to try to do this remotely for you, creating this video to show you how to upload into Google Classroom a slides presentation that is blank but collaborative for your students to post their Google drawings. Okay, so to start out with, you're in your Gmail, you go to your apps launcher, and you go to Google Slides. So when it comes up, you're going to see here with the yellow plus sign, you can create a blank one. And if I were you, I would create 4 different ones for each of your classes to where you can upload that one individually into the Google Classroom. So I'm going to name this one Higdon 1 just so we can see how it's going to work. After you do that, I would go ahead and put on as many blank slides as you have students in your classroom. So let's say there's 20 or 21 of them. If I were you, what I would do is I would go ahead and I would put the student's name. And then they can take that away if they want to, or you can have it on there either way. So let's say this one is me, and then that way I know which student is going to be pasting their picture in that slide. This just helps for management. You might still have students who post in the wrong one or delete someone's by accident, but if they do that, there is a way that I can help you look at their revision history. Okay, moving along. So once you've created it, you've named it, you've created the number of slides you want and put students' names. Like I said, you don't have to put the students' names, but if you decide to do that, that's fine. Then you're going to click on the blue share, and you're going to click on Get Shareable Link. So when you do that, you'll notice it says anyone at McDowell K-12 can view. You want to change that, so you're going to click on it and say anyone at McDowell K-12 with the link can edit. Then you're going to highlight this link, just click in it and copy the link. Okay, so then you're going to go to your Google Classroom. I've set up a test classroom. I suggest you just create an announcement instead of an assignment because you're not going to want necessarily different, you're not going to be able to do different turn-in times or different students turning it in since it's one creation. It's one slides presentation. So I would just create it as an announcement, and I would say Higdon 1, just so it matches what your slides presentation is titled. And I would click the link. You're going to paste that link that you copied and say add link. Then you're going to post it. And it's going to show up in your Google Classroom. The reason this is blank is because your first slide is blank right now. Okay, so that's how you create that. Now from the students' end, what they're going to have to do, they're going to go to their Google Drawings, and I've just sat here for a second and threw something together for you. They're going to save it. They're going to save file, and they're going to download it as a JPEG. I've named mine Melissa. I'm going to save it, and so it downloads here to the bottom, which is going to happen with them. They can open it, and they're going to say edit and copy. And then they're going to go into the slides presentation. They'll go back over to the class. They're going to open it up. They're going to go to the slide, and they're going to say paste or Control V. And there is the picture in the slide that you want them to paste for you. Okay, and they can resize it. They could move their name around however you want them to do that. And then that's how it would paste. And it automatically saves it. It's going to update. And so if you were to go back into the Google Classroom and refresh, the presentation is going to now show that first picture on that first slide. So you can see that it's actually there. And like I said, each student would go in and create theirs. And then when you want to print, once you have the whole presentation taken care of, then you would go to File, and then you could say Print Settings and Preview. And then you can decide how you want to print it. Do you want to print it one slide at a time? You want them large? Or you have all of these options for how you want to print it. You can even download the whole entire thing as a PDF if you want, or you can print directly from here. So I hope this is helpful. I'll be happy to help you when I'm back at West. I should be there on Thursday, and I look forward to working with you.